Welcome once again, friends. Today we're going to start a new topic and we're going to look the Microsoft Excel. So before moving on, what I want from you, please support me by click the subscribe button and the turn notification bell into all so as to don't miss any coming videos. So let's check this Microsoft Excel. This is an introduction video. I hope will be short video. So as you see here, this is Microsoft Excel, or another name is called spreadsheet. This spreadsheet is developed by Microsoft for Windows especially, and then we developed it for Macs, Android and iOS. We can do many features here like calculation, graphic tools, pivot table and macro programming language, which is called Visual Basic for applications. So let's check this Microsoft Excel. The Microsoft Excel obtained in different form. This one is an offline form, and there are three things you need to understand in the basic things. Anybody that told you in the Microsoft Excel can use the three most words. The first one is worksheet, the one that you see here in front of you, composition of many division. This division we call a cell. This is called worksheet. So worksheet here represent many cells, and the cell is a composition of the column which consists of the letter and the row which consists of the number, and any cell can call as a row, it can call as a column row, as a letter and number. As you see here, once I click it, it's calculated and say this is A1 cell. So the worksheet represents the site that you put your data. And the second one is a formula bar. You see here, this is a formula bar. And the formula bar, you can put any formula that can represent the data here. Example, I want to find the grade as A, B, C, D, and E in a particular marks. So your formula will be here in a represent a cell. And the third one is a ribbon. Ribbon is referred to this division as you see here. Example here, this one division is called clipboard. Clipboard, this represents a ribbon. You see here, font represents the ribbon, as alignment and many. As you see here, the ribbon come from after click the tab. You see here, this above here, this is called the tabs. See, home tab, insert tab, page layout tab. So the ribbon come after click the particular tabs. So the three basic things in the Microsoft Excel. So if you don't have this offline Microsoft Excel, you can download it in any website, or simply you can type as in the internet as Microsoft Office, you can get. So let's check another type or another form of Microsoft Excel. We have online form of Microsoft Excel that are located in different websites. The first website you can look in the Google. Google also have their Microsoft Excel package, where you can find simple after opening your browser here, like google.com here, you can click here, it say it's app, show app. Okay, as you see here, this is called the apps. You can click here to find the Microsoft Excel. After click here, you see this is one of the package of Microsoft of Google, but here we don't find the Microsoft Excel. In a situation like that, what you can do, just you can search the word as a Google, say Google Sheet, then click enter. See, it is come as a Google Sheet. It is called free online spreadsheet. As I said before, spreadsheet stands for Microsoft Excel. You can click it, and then you can start as a go to Google, and then you can start your Microsoft Excel online through the Google platform. As you see here, you can click this blank page for faster time, or just you can click another as a customize. You see, this is for Google. So in the situation that if you don't find here, after click the apps, just search for Google Sheet. I hope you will find the Microsoft Excel online in Google. This is a free online version. As I said before, there is a number in it, there is a row and column that you see here, and there is a cell that you see like before. And then we have tabs, and in a particular tab after click you can get the ribbon. So the second one in the online, just you can search for the MS Excel. Search for this. After search this, you see this is another website. You see www.microsoft.com. You say that Microsoft Excel online spreadsheet. So another site you can find Microsoft Excel online. Let's click it and open it. For the first time it will say about the login screen, but you can try it for free and you can buy depending on your option. Let's say try for free. Let's say for home, for business, for home, let's say. Switch it to international, okay, let's say. See, Microsoft Excel is here. This is premium, but this is for download only. But I hope you can come here and you can find the Microsoft Excel in the particular website that is called Microsoft. All of that is a Microsoft Excel, but it depends on the Microsoft Excel that you use. The three basic things in this introduction video, you don't need to forget them. The first one is, I say, worksheet. Don't forget this worksheet, because anytime you will operate in the worksheet, anytime. And the second one is the formula bar. This formula bar you can use most of the time to put some of the configuration. After pasting your data in here, you can change in a particular, let's say, particular equation. That equation can give the answer about the data. Example, if you want to find the summation, averaging, and many things, you can use the formula bar. And the third one is a particular ribbon that you are operators. Example, if somebody tell you that go to the font ribbon, don't become confused, because the ribbon stands for the particular, this is a particular, as you see here, as a clipboard, font, alignment, and many things. And the tabs that you click in order to get the ribbon. That is helpful. You understand this. So don't miss the coming video, because we're going to start one by one and we can look how we can do, how we can change, so as for better looking of our Microsoft Excel, or for better arrangement of our data in the Microsoft Excel. So before finishing this video, make sure you subscribe this channel, because your support that can help me to do many things and show many tricks in the internet and in the computer also. Thank you.